Hello guys, today we are discussing the today's question of the day problem. In this problem, first we need to analyze what is the exactly the statement what is. So the problem name is minimum operation to make binary array element equal to 1. In this we have given a binary array nums. We can do a following operation to make an binary array into complete ones. Choose any three consecutive elements from an array and flip all of them. Flip an element meaning changing its value from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Return the minimum number of operations required to make all the elements in nums equal to 1 if it is possible. If it is not possible, then we need to return -1. Now we need to understand what exactly the meaning of these lines. So the question asks us to make a changes in a manner such that we need to flip consecutive three element so that we can get all the elements 1. It did not uh, constrain that we can do a limited times flip. We can do unlimited time. But the condition is a three consecutive elements needs to be flipped. So what is approach I think is that first I need to initialize the size of nums by n num store size. After which I declare a variable which store the count of operation required to make an array complete one. Now, what I think is that basically we are checking each element, each three consecutive pairs and flip them till the end. So we need to run the iterate over the nums till n minus 2 because suppose we have at this position we need to flip this and this. If we are at this position, how do we flip? It become an overflow to the array. So we need to run till the n minus 2. So I equal to 0 to I less than n minus 2. I think you understand. Now we need to check if the element is 0. If nums of I is 0, then we flip accordingly because we need to we want to make an array 1. We don't want to change the ones, we want to change the zeros to 1. So that's why I write this condition if nums of I is equal to 0, because if it is 0 then we flip, otherwise we don't flip the elements. Now as I said, if nums of I is 0, then we flip. And how do we flip? We flip by 1 minus nums of I. And we also flip the as we given that we have to flip the three consecutive elements. That's why we need to flip the three consecutive elements. This is the third element. And at each iteration, we need to update the our operation, which is answer, which store the count of operation that we need to done to achieve our target. If suppose if the condition is fail in a condition in a situation where suppose let's take the second example in which we have given that 0 1 1 1. In first iteration what we are doing, we change the first three elements. What we get? 1 0 0 1. In second iteration what we get? 1, 1, 1 and 0. So we have seen that we need to run the loop till n minus 2, which we have already done. So, so we can see that if we want to check whether it is impossible, we need to check the last two elements whether they are 0 or no. So that's why we need to check if nums of n minus 2 is equal to 0 or nums of n minus 1 is equal to 0. If if any of the conditions satisfy, then we need to return the minus 1 and ultimately we return the answer if it is not satisfied. I hope you understand. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this is accepted. Now we need to analyze the time complexity of the problem. Time and space complexity. So we can see we run till n minus 2, so that time complexity will be order of n and the space complexity is order of 1 because we do not take any array or any data structure to count or store anything. I hope you like approach. If you like, comment and share your thoughts. If you stuck anywhere, you can ask me any question and share with your friends. Thank you.